pulmonary circulation. So the pulmonary trunk is going to be right here. The pulmonary arteries are right here, just this flat surface right here. And then we have our lobar arteries. Arteries in this case only are blue. So that's our lobar arteries. We have our lobar veins, which are the red ones here on the other side. And then we have our pulmonary veins, which are going to be red, which are these red surfaces here. Okay? Now for the rest of the body, it's going to be arteries are red and veins are blue. So we're going to start with systemic circulation. The ascending aorta is right here. The aortic arch is just where the aorta starts to turn, so it's right here. Then we have our brachiocephalic trunk, which is easiest to see from the back. It is on the right side of the body. And it's going to be right here, just this very short trunk, right where it begins. Then we have the left common carotid. I'm going to turn this guy back around. So this is the left side of the body. So the left common carotid is going to be this red one here. Then we have the left subclavian artery, which is going to be right here, right where this artery arches like a shoulder, right up here. Then we have the right common carotid, which is this red one. We have the right subclavian artery, which is going to be right here. We have the descending aorta, which is just at the very top as the aorta starts to descend. We have the thoracic aorta, which is right here in the thoracic cavity. The abdominal aorta is just going to be right about here underneath the liver, but it's labeled on the front. So this is the abdominal aorta, right in here. And the common iliac arteries are right in here, and it's labeled right as they split. So right after they split, right there. The vertebral arteries are right here at the top, these two red skinny guys. And the basilar artery is number 32. Where is it?
To the right.
Oh yeah, it's right here. It's the bunch. It's the whole bunch. So right here. The posterior cerebral is this one pointing back. This long skinny one at the top. Sorry guys. The internal carotid artery. You're just going to follow the carotid artery, and then this would be the internal carotid. The ophthalmic artery is this one pointing straight towards you, right at your eyeballs. The anterior cerebral artery is actually going to be this one here. This one here. And then the middle is this one here. The external carotid artery is going to be this one. Just follow the carotid artery, and you'll see this is the external. The facial artery is this one right here, the first large branch off. And then we have the maxillary artery, which is kind of by where your maxilla would be in your face, your jaw. And it's right here, would be labeled right where it breaks off. And then we have the superficial temporal artery. So superficial and temporal, so it's going to be right here. That's it. Yes. Okay. That's it.